Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. Let's begin this small and precise and crisp video for you all. Before that, I want to tell you that we have a Telegram channel where we discuss a lot of things daily in the real time market. Also, we take trades together but not as calls, as potential charts. As you can see right here, a lot of people today took trades, and it was beautiful to see that everyone is working independently. Now, the link of the same Telegram is given in the description of this video only. So, scroll down the video, you will find the link. I'm going to begin this small and precise video. So here is our first trade right here, Tech Mahindra. What's up with Tech Mahindra? Tech Mahindra was making this squeeze momentum pattern and giving us a breakout out of the resistance trend line. Now, believe me, guys, it's a very difficult and risky pattern right here, yet it has a good volume. It has a good volume. Okay, more than at least the weak volume is there at the all-time high levels. Yeah, so I'm not a fan of volumes, but believe me, this is a very good breakout right here. Many a time what happens is it spikes up with a beautiful candle, so that risk can be taken at this area. What risk? 2.3% risk if you want. Okay, as the end of the day closing is pretty good right here, so that particular risk can be taken. But this is not a whole trade, this is just a momentum trade. If 2% is being hit on your stop loss, just get out of the trade because it can fall even lower. Okay, moving ahead with Apollo. So Apollo was given near the end of the day, and this seems to be a pretty good pattern right there. Now let's talk about Apollo a little bit. So I'm making this pattern right here from the bottom, and it's joining all the trend line. It's joining all the points that's been sustained for the stock. Okay, it came till this point, came this till this point and moved up. Now let's make a trend line from here that was initially been made by me. So right here, why I'm making this trend line? Because it was initially been made by me. I was following Apollo at these areas when the stock was moving, and then it fell, came back up to this level, getting support again, fell again, came back up, and again sustaining these levels. So what potential thing that we can see here is that right here I am seeing that it was making higher high, higher high. Thus we can create a pattern right here till the top. Okay, now I am seeing a good resistance over here, good hindrance over here. So we can definitely make a line right there. Okay, this line telling that this could be the potential high or targets, potential targets that we can take in this particular stock. Now I'm going to make a line that is a hidden trend line that I am specialized in. Okay, I'm going to make that line right here. Okay, you have to follow me up. So right here you see how I'm using the green closing lines, and it's using the green closings right here. I'm taking this line smoothly and steadily and seeing that there is a pop out candle. In my course also I teach this particular thing that is known as popcorn trading. So it's a popcorn trade for a lot of us. Also a double bottom breakout. Why double bottom? Because see, these are demand levels. If on the chart screen of yours you are able to see a top of the stock, and you can see the bottom of the stock also. So from the bottom right here, it's the support. Yeah, this trend line is the support, so it's taking support, comes back up, takes the support, comes back up. A very good breakout. At the end of the day you will see you will see a very good movement. At the end of the day it will definitely open gap up, and let's see how much sustainability the stock can give us. Okay, for the whole day. So it's a marubozu closing. So not a marubozu, okay, but a very good closing. The closing is the high of the day, so that's pretty good for us. And lower wick rejection is also there. Also this gap, okay, not filled, but this gap not filled is not, doesn't mean that it needs to be filled. Okay, maybe it will be filled in after a week, after a month, and after hitting our targets. So a lot of you guys are in this particular stock, I know, and pretty good analysis by all of you. So a round of applause for all of you who are working hard and trying to make yourself independent here. Okay, so moving ahead, this was the analysis. So what could be the potential targets? The potential targets could be from this particular point, 5% could be your risk in this trade, and 15% could be your targets. Okay, or 5%, 5%, 1 is to 1, 5%, 10%, 1 is to 2, as per that. Moving ahead, Century Text. So this stock was in consolidation for quite a long period of time. Okay, right here. And what type of pattern it was making? It was making a pattern that is known as a broadening type of pattern. So it breaks it out and comes to this particular line. So whenever it is breaking this supply zone, it would definitely come to 965. Got it? Where? 965. So whenever it is breaking the 885 level on the daily time frame, it will go to 965. That's one thing. So right here I'm seeing a fall of 10%, then again the stock comes back to the same level. A fall of 15%, stock comes back to the same level. A fall of 12% again comes back to the same level. That is telling us that it has made a inverted head and shoulder pattern, of which a very confusing candle was being made at the influence circle, and after that the breakout's been done. So pretty good trade in century text, as the stock's telling us that it has entered a next box consolidation maybe. Okay, so this box consolidation might touch this particular level, fall down to this level, so we can at least achieve this particular trade. So even as I say, even one trade can make you a good hell lot of money. Okay, do not go into 10 trades, 20, 30, 40 trades, okay, in a single day, in a single month, okay, because most of you take them intraday and everything. One single trade will do the magic. Moving ahead, okay, data matrix is our stock. Why? Because it's at a good demand zone. So what I need from the stock is to regain these levels. Why? Because these levels are very important. This level was being broken down here, and the stock moved up, takes support at this level, moves up, takes support at this level, moves up, comes back to this level, makes a invert, makes a head and shoulder pattern, tries to break it down with a breakaway gap, but comes back up and again falls down, makes a lower low lower high formation, a falling parallel channel pattern, that you can also say right here. But if you are getting a candle, a very good candle that is sustaining here for the whole day, that is end of the day trade, okay, and you can keep a stop loss below the candle also, as per the analysis speaks out for itself. Thus you can again see data matrix to reach 369, and if you are patient enough, then you will be able to see that it is also following this particular pattern right here, that is making constant higher highs, okay, constant higher highs right here. So if the stock makes a closing right here, a stop loss below the candle will take you to till the 1 is to 1 risk reward, 1 is to 2 risk reward. A stop loss below the swing low can take you to the top of the pattern, that the pattern suggests it is something like this. It is coming to the top, coming to the same area, just like the century text, the opposite of the century text pattern. Right here we are seeing that pattern. Pfizer, what I am seeing in Pfizer is that it is at a good demand zone. It takes demand from this area of 5150. So 5150 is a crucial area to be broken, and in Pfizer, and you can see it's making a very good parallel channel at this area. So if you are seeing that the stock is sustaining above this particular area with a beautiful candle right here, you can definitely take the low of the candle, you can definitely take the low of the candle as your SL, and you can achieve till the top. Why? Because after a fall, whenever the price action is accumulating at the base with a very good pattern and the breakout of that pattern, there is a very good chance that the buyers will be returned in that particular stock. KEC, why KEC? Because this stock's been in a good uptrend for quite a days, and right here, as we all know, that we are in this particular trade from the lower levels only, from this particular breakout on the 30-minute time frame, good consolidation and a breakout. So our people who follow me on Telegram, okay, they already know that this was a good breakout. I gave them the trade of the day also, okay, potential chart, not calls. Okay, I would like to reconsider myself that I do not provide calls, guys. So if you are if you want calls, okay, do not join that Telegram. We discuss things, we execute things, but independently and healthy way. So right here we are seeing that we are already sitting on a profit of 2 to 2.5 to 3%, pretty good profits right here, and a potential trade can be executed from this particular level as well. Why? Because the stock consolidated for a good period of time and showing a very good strengthy candle at this area. This area is treated as a good trend line here. You will say that this trend line is not been made perfectly here, but I will say no, it is not like that. It comes to this area, and see, this is a sideways movement right here, and stock comes back up. So coming back up is a very important crucial point, that it is in trendy way, sideways again trendy, sideways again trendy, good chance it will hit 480 for sure. Okay, nothing is for sure, so good chance that it will hit 480. Okay, a trade can be made from this particular area. 462 could be taken as SL, and the next target could be 495. You can end your trade right away on 495. Because there's a big gap down right here. Okay, moving to our last trade of the day, and then we will talk about some profit bookers also. So as I told you guys about the about a trade in Reliance. So Reliance is at a verge of breakout, guys. So keep an eye on Reliance. If the stock is moving up and giving you a candle something like this, believe me, Reliance will shake you like anything. It will give a beautiful breakout, and the candle slow can be taken as SL. However, the large candle is 5%, 6%. That would be a good entry, because Reliance is a stock that you can still like financially is the best company, top company of India also. So yeah, taking trades in Reliance is like a very good thing. Okay, also, and with price action involved, that's like the cherry on top of the cake. So you will get a very beautiful trade up till the 10%, that is the all time highs at least, or 1 is to 1 risk reward 2600 could be the next target analyze. Let it give the breakout. I will update you guys on the Telegram that yeah, the stock is giving a potential breakout, the stock is in the move. Okay, something like that will be given on the Telegram. Okay, you have to code everything as per your analysis. You have to use your mind, you have to use your brain, your risk management system also. Talking about some of the profit bookers, booking 6% profit in Gufik Bio, booking. I was see right here. This was what was the target of this particular trade. Okay, these were the target number two. This was the target number three right here. Okay, this was the target number two right here, and this was the target number one right here. So three targets were given in HCL Tech as per the risk reward ratio. So you can see right here, this was 3% risk, so you are getting 3% right here. Then you're getting 6% around here, so target number two achieved, and 9% here. So 1 is to 2, 3 risk reward ratio is still left, but I would say that 1 is to 2 is more than sufficient. It's like 6.7. It went 7% from our analysis of inverted head and shoulder accumulation of price action. Okay, if you have missed any of these trades, okay, even in Adani Entertainment the stock is going pretty good. Okay, taken at the bottom 1656 as a beer trap setup. So why a beer trap setup? You can check other trading view videos also of mine. I will attach some of the ideas, link is given in the description. You can meet me, you can talk to me, discuss ideas, your analysis to me on Telegram. Link is given in the description, everything is given in the description. So if you enjoyed the video, go check out the description. You will find some related ideas that I post daily. I provide technical analysis, beautiful technical analysis that is simple to understand, easy to make money from that. And thank you so much for watching this particular video. Merry Christmas in advance, and hope you all enjoy. Thank you so much.